What a beautiful day in Webkin's world, Snowy. Are we gonna play creepy crawlers?
No, we're not. We're not gonna play creepy crawlers today. No, not today.
Well then, what are we gonna do?
Well, let's just watch TV and I can figure out what I've planned.
Hey there, do you like bowling? Do you like money? Well then come on down to the first ever Yellow Team's bowling tournament, where you can win up to $300. If you're on the Yellow Team, then grab your bowling shoes, and grab your balls, and come on down.
Oh, that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna go bowling.
Snowy, you just want to win that money.
No, I don't care about the money. I just want to go bowling with you, Coco. We never went bowling together.
Well, I guess it could be fun, but I'm on the red team.
You can still go bowling with me.
But Snowy, this is the Yellow Team's bowling tournament.
So
I can't go bowling with you because I'm on the red team. It says it on my card. See?
Oh, hi, Snowy.
or me and Iggy can go bowling.
Yeah, Snowy, we're both on the Yellow Team.
You see, me and Iggy are a couple of bros just trying to go bowling.
I agree with you, Snowy.
Well, I guess you guys can go have fun, and I'll just sit here watching the game.
Okay, bye.
Come on, Snowy.
Hello and welcome to the first ever Yellow Team's bowling tournament, where the players on the Yellow Team will receive up to $300. Only 2 players showed up, because I guess no one else likes money, so let's get started. Snowy, you're up first.
We're going bowling, Snowy. We're going bowling no matter what. Wait a minute, we're both on the Yellow Team.
Oh yeah, we're 2 different players, so we're gonna bowl individually.
But you can't do that. This is Yellow Team bowling. I'm a towel.
Wait, don't tell. I am on your team.
Wait, you're on my team? Okay, well, let's bowl then. Let's bowl like everyone else does.
Okay.
Well, that's not how you do it. What's next? Are you going to sign up for the blue team? Who even plays for them? Oh, well, I guess Dreamy does.
Why don't you give me a high five?
No. How about we finish the tournament first, and then we will talk about giving you a high five. Alright, now has anybody seen my bowling shoes?
Oh, you don't wear shoes.
Oh, I'm not even a human being, so anyway, let's bowl.
Yeah, let's bowl.
Let's bowl.
Okay, I'm first.
Yeah, alright, there you go. Go ahead, go bowl. Yeah, I want to see you do it. I dare you. Go ahead, try to bowl.
Okay.
Go ahead, I want to see how bad of a job you do. You're gonna fail, watch. I know you're gonna fail. Yeah, that's terrible. That's terrible. You got a gutter ball. You're bad at bowling. You're bad. That was bad. You're awful.
Can you go sit down?
You get another turn, Snowy.
Okay.
Wait, you're actually gonna try again? I thought you'd be so embarrassed after the first time you just quit the whole tournament.
Well, look, I'm gonna get the spare.
Spare yourself the humiliation of trying again and just quit so I can just get the $300.
No, stop it.
Yeah, go ahead, try again. I can't wait to see you try it. You're gonna get a gutter ball, watch. You're gonna do it. $5 says he gets a gutter ball.
No, I'm gonna get a spare.
You're gonna get a gutter ball, watch. Yeah, here it comes. It's gonna go right in the gutter. There it is. Watch it. Oh, gutter ball! Haha.
Well, I want to see you try it.
That's $5 for me.
Alright, here's your $5.
At this rate, we won't even have to finish the tournament. I'm gonna make $300 in gutter balls.
Well, I didn't accept the bet.
Then why did you pay me?
Alright, Iggy, it's your turn.
Okay, Iggy. It's time to be cool. Everybody's watching. I can't mess this up. Alright, come on, ball. You can do it.
Oh my god, Iggy, you just got a strike.
I can't believe I got a strike.
Did you guys see that? Iggy got a strike.
Yeah, but it's your turn, Snowy, so go on up there. And try not to mess up this time.
Okay, Snowy, you got this. All you have to do is get a strike. You got this.
You don't got this. You're gonna fail.
Just go back to your seat.
I just want to watch you fail.
I'm not gonna fail. Watch this. Strike, here I come.
That was a bad number of pins because you're bad at bowling.
That was good.
Nah, it was bad.
Now watch this. I'm gonna get the spare.
Yeah, okay.
Watch this. See, look, I'm gonna get it.
You fail. How does it feel to be bad at bowling because you're bad at bowling?
I'm not bad at bowling. I haven't bowled in a while. Anyway, I bet you can't even get another strike.
Yes, I will. Watch. Okay, Iggy, my mother taught me. Right in the middle to get a strike. Oh, I think I'm gonna make it.
Another strike?
Yep.
Whoa, Iggy, that's amazing!
Alright, it's your turn, so let's watch you fail again.
Okay. Okay, Snowy, you messed up earlier, so if you don't get a strike, you're never gonna show up for this bowling tournament ever again. Okay, I got this. Give the ball a big kiss. Mwah! Alright, let's do this! Iggy, I got a strike!
No, you did not just get a strike.
But I did!
Okay, that was luck though, you know that, right? I mean, you definitely can't do it again.
Okay, well, it's your turn, so let's see what you can do.
Can do. Yeah, alright. Come on, Iggy, get 3 strikes. 3 strikes. Yes.
How did you get 3 strikes, Iggy?
I don't know.
Wait.
Is that a turkey?
Yeah, 3 strikes in a row means a turkey.
What? Why?
Why, Iggy?
I don't know, it's weird, but I never got 3 strikes before. Tell me how the turkey got here.
So I guess when you get 3 strikes, you get a turkey. So here's yours.
I don't even want a turkey.
Get away, get off the lane. It's my turn. Okay, Snowy, you can get 2 in a row. I mean, you never done it in your entire life, but you can do it. Okay, come on. Iggy, I got another strike.
Yeah.
Anyway, you're about to get your 4th strike, and if you get your 4th strike, can we come back here?
I guess we can come back here if I get 1 more strike.
Alright, Iggy, come on, go!
Come on, Iggy, I gotta do this. If I miss, we won't be coming back here.
Iggy, you know, if you miss this, we won't be coming back here, so no pressure, but you better not miss this, because if you miss this, we are never coming back here ever again, okay?
I think I need a helping hand.
No helping hand, come on, strike, no pressure.
Okay, here I go.
Yes,
Oh my God,
Iggy
yes.
rocks, yes. We get to come back here and we don't have to quit, yeah.
You want to give me a high five or something?
What?
I mean, if you want, I'll just give you a high five.
Well, you know what? We're gonna finish this. You're gonna get every strike in every one of those frames, okay?
Yes!
So let's do this! But still, it's my turn. Alright, Snowy, you just need a strike and you'll get a turkey. Yes, Iggy, I got a turkey!
What? No way!
Go get your 5th strike, Iggy.
Okay, I got this. 5th strike. Yes! Oh, yes. Good job, Iggy.
Oh my god, Iggy, you got 5 strikes in a row!
That was awesome!
Oh my god, that was really amazing!
See that, guys?
Oh, you're probably talking to the viewers watching this. It's just me, you, and this turkey. Yeah, so, turkey, go away, turkey, go! Okay, so, I want to see you get 6 strikes. It's my turn, but come on, Iggy, go for 6 strikes, go!
Okay. Alright, 6.
Oh my god,
Oh my
6,
God,
Iggy?
yes.
Oh, come on, keep going. 7, I want you to get all strikes.
Okay.
Get another one, come on.
Okay. Lucky number 7.
Oh, 7?
Yes.
Are you kidding?
7 in a row today.
Go for it. Come on, go for all of them.
Okay. 8.
Alright, number 8, Iggy.
I'm getting really tired, Snowy. Can we just quit the tournament?
No, don't stop now. We don't want to quit the tournament just because you're getting really tired, okay? You're doing really good right now. If you get a 300, that'll be cool.
I can do it.
Come on.
8.
8, you all. Oh my god, you all see that, guys? You got 8 strikes in a row. Okay, go for 9.
I am winded.
Alright, Iggy, 9.
I'm kind of getting tired of this, Snowy.
Yeah, I know you're getting tired. I'm getting tired too, but I never seen one get every strike, so I never went bowling with them. So come on, Iggy.
Okay.
Come on, Iggy.
9.
9? Are you kidding me, Iggy? 9?
Yeah, ain't that something?
Alright, so you're gonna keep doing it. And we only have a few more left. Okay, come on. You gotta win, you gotta win, you gotta win.
Okay.
Okay, lucky number 10, Iggy. What's wrong?
One of my arms got worn out, Snowy. This ball is really heavy.
Oh, come on, you got it. 10! 10, Iggy, are you kidding? It's 10!
Yeah, that's pretty cool, Snowy.
Come on, Iggy, come on, you got this. Okay, Iggy, 11.
Can you give me a hand with this arm, Snowy?
No, I'm not touching the ball. It's your genius that keeps bowling these. Come on. You're almost there. Come on, Iggy. It's going, it's going. 11, Iggy. 11. One more to the 300.
Oh my god, I can't believe
Come
it.
on, let's go. 12. 12. This is the last one. If you get this one, you'll bowl 300. Pro bowlers haven't even done this. I mean, you're gonna get 300. Iggy, are you asleep? Iggy! Iggy! What? Oh, alright, I guess that's one way to bowl it. Oh my god, Iggy, you got a 300! A 300! Iggy! Will everybody you all see that? He got... Oh, just the viewers.
Huh?
You bowled a 300, Iggy.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, but I'm still at my 6th frame, so...
I'm gonna go lay down, Snowy.
Am I the only one excited about this? Oh well, I might as well finish this tournament. Alright, come on, Snowy, you do this for a living. Make me a bowling champion. Oh, gotta, come on. Alright, Snowy, don't embarrass yourself. You're gonna do it like you did in high school. Come on, get that spare. Get it! Oh, I never got her! Come on, Snowy. Come on, Snowy. Oh man, it went to the gutter! Alright, time to get a spare. Come on. Oh, it was close. Alright, come on. I'm really getting sick and tired of this. Come on. Oh man, I didn't get the strike. Okay, time to get the spare, Snowy. Time to get the spare. You can't embarrass yourself. Yes, I got the spare. Alright, I'm getting my strike. Oh man. Alright, I have another chance to get a spare. Yes, I got a spare! Okay, I'm getting the strike. Yes, I got the strike! Alright, I'm gonna get a second strike. Yes, I got another strike! Alright, Snowy, get a turkey. Yes, I'm free!
Well, it looks like the results are in. Iggy scored a perfect 300, so he won $300. And Snowy scored 136 points, so he won $136. Congratulations to all the winners.
Hey, Snowy, did you win the money?
Yes, we did.
Oh, well, how much money did you win?
I won $136.
Oh, how much money did Iggy win?
Iggy won $300 because he scored a perfect 300, which appears to be the maximum score you can get on a bowling tournament.
Oh, well, at least you and Iggy got to spend some time together.